We have all had those moments where we feel like nothing's going right, like we've hit a wall. Hello friends, in today's video I faced one of those moments while trying to make corn pop bread. I was excited, hopeful, and ready to create something special before my husband got back home. But when the bread didn't turn out as I had imagined, it felt like a setback, a failure in the kitchen. Yet, what I learned from that experience was more valuable than any recipe. I realized that failure isn't the end of the story, it's simply a chapter in the journey. Each misstep taught me something crucial: patience, resilience, and what not to do for the next time. And here is the surprising part. While the bread didn't turn out as I had hoped when I started filming, it led to something unexpected. The texture wasn't quite right, but the flavor was delightful. In fact, this failure gave birth to a whole new recipe that I wouldn't have discovered otherwise. Even though I didn't like the overall outcome, I loved the taste, and that opened up new possibilities in my kitchen. It's so easy to get caught up in our mistakes and overlook the progress we are making, the little victories along the way. I had to remind myself to be kind, to see these challenges as opportunities for growth, and to understand that our worth isn't determined by our setbacks. Failure is a teacher, not a verdict. It's in this moment of struggle that we discover our true strength, learn the lesson we need, and emerge more compassionate towards ourselves and others. I have been learning how to bake recently, and now I appreciate the bakers even more. So if you're feeling like you're falling short, remember this: you're trying, you're learning, and you're more than enough for the task. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and know that every small step is taking you forward. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, sending you love and warm hugs.